In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into TradingView. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the login process, making it simple and straightforward. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. It might be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. Once you've got that open, type in the URL tradingview.com. This will take you to TradingView's homepage where you can start exploring market charts and tools. But before you dive into all those features, let's get you logged in so you can have full access to everything TradingView has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, take a look around the top right corner of the page and you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking this will bring up the login options, offering a few ways to access your account. TradingView makes it convenient by allowing you to log in using a method that suits you best. Now, you have two primary options to log in. The first option is to use your Google account. This is perfect if you want a quick password-free login experience. Simply select Sign In with Google and a pop-up window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, this step will be even quicker. Just confirm the account and you're all set. But if you prefer not using your Google account or if you don't have one, you can choose the second option, which is logging in with your email and password. For this, select the option that asks to log in using your email. Once selected, you'll see fields where you can type in your registered email address and your password. Make sure to enter them carefully to avoid any login errors. If by chance you don't remember your password, there's usually a Forgot Password link you can click to reset it, ensuring you can recover access to your account without a hitch. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button. And that's it. You should now be logged into your TradingView account. From here, you can explore a multitude of features like market analysis tools, your personalized watch lists, and much more. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to logging into TradingView. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you're now able